But before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.
So this is the CASABREWS all-in-one espresso machine. And yeah, let's take a look inside the box. We have a bunch of paperwork here, operation guide, instruction manual. Here's a water tank. And here is the machine itself. So let's go down to the kitchen, set this all up, and see how it works. With the CASABREWS Espresso machine, you can now enjoy a brewed latte, cappuccino, or macchiato in the comfort of your home, or at the office. It's both durable and stylish with its stainless steel design. It will also give corresponding prompts to ensure that the machine is running properly for a longer lifespan. Its 91-ounce transparent water tank is also detachable and easy to fill, as well as a super easy to use dial interface for selecting steam, hot water, and more. Featuring a 20-bar pressure system pump and a 1500-watt powerful motor, helping to give quality extractions for a richer aroma to your coffee. The built-in pressure gauge shows the exact pressure, which helps you to make adjustments according to your personal tastes. It has a built-in bean grinder, which grinds on demand and deposits fresh ground coffee in only a few minutes. And then just get your grounds, just push it in here for the button. But I already have some grounds already made up, so I'm just going to use these, put them in here. But it would ground the beans and put it in here for you, and this is the bean grind level.
Alright, this does seem like a lot.
With 15 adjustable grind settings, you get total control to get the best flavor from your coffee beans. It also has a powerful milk foaming steam wand, so you can generate creamy and rich milk foam to enhance the flavor of your brews, or even to make fun latte art. And so yeah, I definitely recommend checking out the CASABREWS Espresso machine today. See you.